Here's the deal. Without me knowing what's inside this box, I'm already telling you that we are going to raffle this away. Hey YouTube, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. Today we're going to unbox a 15,000 peso or $300 Xiaomi mystery box. Make sure that you guys stay until the very end of the vlog. Why? Because I will be raffling away one of the items inside this box, and you have to stay until the end to be able to catch the mechanics. Let's go. Now, I did pick this package up from PoundIt.com. They are one of my favorite e-commerce websites that sell gadgets. I actually did a bunch of mystery box unboxings from them. If you guys haven't seen those yet, I will put a link to the playlist of all of my mystery box unboxings. Two of my videos, guys, from them where I unboxed like a couple of mystery boxes actually did over 1 million views. That is just crazy. So if you haven't watched those videos yet, again, the link can be found down below. Watch it after watching this vlog. As you can see, it comes in your typical PoundIt mystery box, brown carton, unbox me with a smiley face, the PoundIt logo on the lower left-hand corner. If you pop the box open, I can already tell it's filled with, that's right, bubble wrap. That is like their signature stuffing for their mystery boxes. Lots and lots of bubble wrap. But hey, if you had a long day, one of the best ways to relieve stress is to like keep on popping bubble wrap, because it actually helps. And you can do like a ASMR of popping bubble wrap if that's your thing. But that's really weird. Anyway, let's get to the unboxing. I count a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, around 7 items inside this 15,000 peso mystery box. So let's get started. First up, we have something again in this brown, I don't know, carton paper. We have the Xiaomi Me Band 4. So the Xiaomi Smart Band 4 is, well, it's your typical fitness tracker that counts your steps. It counts a lot of the other important, I don't know, like health metrics that you would need. It is water resistant, and from what I've heard, and we have to double check this, it should have 20 days of battery life. So you won't need to charge it every week. You won't need to charge it every other day. It just keeps going and going and going. Let's keep going because we have a ton of gadgets inside the box. This, I think, maybe earphones? I don't know. I'm not too sure. Oh, it's not earphones. We have a Xiaomi Selfie Stick. So if you are looking for, you know, a portable, easy to carry around selfie stick, this is probably one of the better ones. Matte black, works, has Bluetooth connectivity for remote, I don't know, like selfies. So that's the second item. We have the Xiaomi Selfie Stick. Let's keep, oh, this one's heavy. Probably this is going to be the earphones. So it's like the eternal search for Xiaomi earphones for this vlog. It's so hard. This time we have, oh, it's a power bank. I didn't expect that. Guys, this is actually a power bank. This is a 3,250 milliampere Mi power bank that also doubles as a flashlight. So it's a Mi power bank flashlight, and it is, wow, really light, really nice. So this one, oh, the official name is Mi power bank flashlight. So yeah, that's cool. I'll probably test this out later. This is definitely intriguing. So that's the third item. Let's keep going. This time around, going to most likely another power bank. And it is, yes, this is the 10,000 milliampere Mi Power Bank 2S. So lightweight, has a ton of power in it, and can do respectable charging speeds. Let's keep going. Oh, this one I think is what's going to sway the overall value to close or to over 15,000 pesos. I can already tell by the box that this is a smartphone. So can you guys guess what this smartphone is? So here's the deal. Without me knowing what's inside this box, I'm already telling you that we are going to raffle this away. So whatever's inside this box, whatever phone is inside this one, I hope it's a phone, we are going to raffle it to one of you. So make sure that you watch until the very end, because I will be announcing the mechanics once we finish all of the items in the box. So are you guys ready? Boom! Oh, that is nice. We have the Redmi 8. The Redmi 8 is one of the best entry-level smartphones that you guys can buy. It delivers exceptional gaming, pretty good camera, nice overall build, actually feels premium in hand. You know what? Let's unbox it. We're here anyway. So let's take a look at what the phone looks like so you guys get a feel for what you can potentially win. So this one is the 4 gig RAM, 64 gigabytes internal storage model. And you pop the box open, you have that carton, and if you remove that carton, where's the phone? Oh, there you guys, this is it. This is it. This is the Redmi 8, and mano man, that looks impeccably premium. So you have some of the specifications. It has a 5,000 milliampere power pack. It has a 6.2-inch HD plus dot drop display, 12 megapixel and 2 megapixel AI dual camera at the back, and it is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 439 processor. So this smartphone, which looks to be in like all black, we will be raffling away on this channel in this video today. So make sure again that you watch until the end so you can hear what the mechanics are. So we have a couple more items inside the mystery box. I can count, well, we have two more. So this one, maybe an umbrella. I mean, what, or an extension cord. So one of the two. I mean, what else could be this long? Well, something comes to mind, but it's not like brand safe and child safe to say on the channel. But yeah, anyway, yeah, it is a Xiaomi umbrella. So as you guys can see, I don't know what's the tech about this one. All I know is that it's an automatic umbrella. It has, wait, work with me on this. It has an enhanced shaft and rib. It is safe. It is automatic, and it is ultraviolet proof. That is the Xiaomi automatic umbrella for you guys. So let's set that aside. And the last item inside our mystery box, probably another power bank or maybe battery pack or earphones. This one is, let's tear this apart. Oh, we have the Xiaomi Me True Wireless Earphones. So these earphones look really nice. So you know what? The Redmi Note 8, the Redmi 8 looks kinda, I don't know, sad because it's just by itself. So what I'm going to do for you guys for the raffle is I'm going to give both of these gadgets away to one lucky person. So again, somebody watching this video today will be getting the Redmi 8 as well as the Xiaomi Me True Wireless earphones, so that you have the, you know, the means to be able to listen to the music that you love and play the games that you love playing while having true wireless earphones. Ba-bam! So we paid a total of 15,000 pesos for all of the items. If we were to summate the total value of all the items, the Xiaomi Redmi 8 that we have over here is 64 gigabytes, has a SRP of 6,990 pesos. The flashlight power bank that I showed you guys earlier is 675 pesos. The true wireless earphones over here, this is actually pricey. This is 3,390 pesos, you guys. So this ain't cheap, and I'm giving it away. The Mi Band that I showed you earlier sells for 2,382 pesos. The other power bank that I showed you, the 10,000 milliampere power bank, goes for 799 pesos. The Selfie Stick goes for 1,263 pesos. And our favorite, enhanced shaft and rib, the safe, automatic, ultraviolet proof with nano fabric Xiaomi automatic umbrella, goes for a whopping 945 pesos. If you add everything up, that totals to 16,444 pesos. So if you paid 15,000, you get like 1,600 additional in value. Not bad. You know what? While I'm doing this, I'm kind of feeling more and more generous. So, I'm already going to give away a smartphone to one person, and we're going to give away the Air True Wireless earphones from Xiaomi to that one lucky person as well. You know what? We want to have like healthy lifestyles. I'm trying to lose weight. I'm sure some of you guys are also going to try to do that, especially because it's December. We're going to put on a lot of holiday weight. So I'll help you guys out as well. Whoever wins this one person raffle will also get the Xiaomi Mi Band 4. So again, one person wins all three. You get the Redmi 8, you get the Xiaomi Air True Wireless earphones, and you get the Xiaomi Mi Smart Band 4. What are our mechanics? And this is the fun part. Number one, you have to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and you have to subscribe to the YouTube channel of PoundIt. Number two, I need you guys to go on over to PoundIt.com, pick whatever item it is that you guys like there, and then leave a comment down below with the link of that item that you would want to have or that you would want to buy this Christmas. Why? And then add your IG handle. So again, let me repeat that. I need you to go to PoundIt.com. You have to go through the site, pick whatever gadget it is that you want for Christmas. I'm not saying I'm buying it. I'm just asking you to pick one. And then copy the link, post it in the comment section down below, and include your IG handle and explain why you want that item. But who knows? I might feel generous, and whoever we pick from the winners will get these stuffs. Maybe I'll probably buy also what you guys put in the comments. But again, not a guarantee. Not too sure, but that's part of the mechanics just to keep it fun. The winner for this raffle will be drawn on November 10, so that is a Sunday. So we will be announcing the winner via the vlog, or whatever vlog comes out on Sunday. I'll do the draw, and I'll also post the winner on our Facebook group as well as Instagram account. So if you guys haven't joined our Facebook group yet, now would be the best time to do so. If you haven't followed me on Instagram yet, again, now would be the best time to do that as well. And for our Power Up Words of Wisdom of the day, we actually have one. And I want to talk about your 13th month pay. And this was something that Chinky Tan, Carlo and Daya, and a bunch of the other guys that they've featured, including Sean Santa Maria in the past, have talked about on the channel. I just want to reinforce what they said. Your 13-month pay, while it is a bonus, while it is something that comes in extra, I would highly recommend that you guys use it wisely. Don't spend it on things that you don't need to impress people that you don't even like. Try to use that money to either number one, pay off debt, or number two, for you to be able to invest in sustainable business or whatever venture that you guys have that will make you more money in the long run. Always remember, guys, that all of the shoes that I have here in the background and most of the shoes that you have at home, at the end of the day, unless you are a reseller or a content creator, they are just rubber, glue, and cloth. They do not add value to you as a person. They do not add value to you as a human being. At the end of the day, they are just shoes. They are meant to be worn. They're meant to be dirtied. They're meant to get grime, soil, and wet, and whatever. Okay? So do not attach your value to yourself to a shoe. So at the end of the day, it really boils down to using the money that you earn every year, every month, on wiser purchases. And that is my prayer for all of you. That is my Christmas wish for all of you, advanced Christmas wish to all of you, that you are all able to get financial freedom, that you're all able to wake up to what it's really needed for you to be successful in terms of handling your finance. At the end of the day, it's not really how much you make, it's how much you save. And on that note, thank you everyone. I hope you all have an amazing long weekend. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.